So 1f, the function f of x equals the natural log of the quotient 3x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. We have log of the quotient. If we do not apply the log property, you are going to find the derivative using the chain rule and the quotient rule. We call low D high minus high D low, draw the line, and low squared. So those stuff that you're gonna have to apply if you want to do it right away or without changing or using any properties to simplify it. I name this as a y again. All right, make a list again. I keep writing for every problem for you guys. The natural log of the product is the sum of the log m and log n. The natural log of the quotient m over n is the difference of the log of the numerator and the log of denominator. Log of m to the power r. The power becomes the constant multiple multiplied to log of the m quantity. Okay, three properties that we use over and over. And this problem, we have log of the quotient. See the quotient, we're gonna apply the second property. The top, the numerator is 3x minus 1. Denominator is x minus 1. So then the expression for the y will be natural log of 3x minus 1 or log of the numerator subtracted by log of the denominator. Okay, we get y as the difference of the two logs is simpler now, much simpler. Next, when you find the derivative, you do not have to do anything with the quotient rule because you are out of the quotient form. You just have to deal with the sum or the difference of the two logs. Okay, next step, we're gonna find y prime. Y prime is the derivative with respect to x of the natural log of the 3x minus 1 subtracted by the derivative with respect to x of natural log of x minus 1. Log of the quantity again. So this is log of the function g, log of the function g. Put on the notes on the side notes here again. If you find the derivative of the natural log of the quantity g, it is 1 over gx times g prime. For the first term, the gx is 3x minus 1. So then the g prime gonna be 3. The second term, the gx is x minus 1. So then the g prime gonna be 1. Okay, so apply these formulas twice, one at a time. The first term, 1 over g, gonna be 1 over the quantity 3x minus 1 multiplied by the g prime, which is 3. Second term, 1 over g, or the quantity x minus 1 multiplied by the g prime, which is 1. Next step, what we're gonna do, just rewrite it in a better form. The first fraction becomes, or the first group becomes 3 divided by 3x minus 1. And the second term becomes 1 over x minus 1. And this is your derivative for the function y equals natural log of the quotient 3x minus 1 and x minus 1.